Now we're going to look at multiplication algorithms for base 5. Again, it's following the same format. We need to know our simple numbers in base 5, the first group of numbers to help us do our multiplication. So we're going to do 3, 2, 1 times 4, 3 in base 5. And so we'll go ahead and start with the, let's go start with the lattice method. So we go ahead and look at 1 times 4, there's your 0, 4. 1 times 3, 0, 3. 2 times 4 is 8, which is 1 and 3. And again, that 8 comes from over here. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 is equal to 1, 1. 3 times 4 is 12. That's two groups of 5 and two ones. 3 times 3 is 9. So that's 1, 4. And then again, we're going to add up diagonally as we go through it. And so you get a 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. So that's 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. Plus 4 is 9. So that's a 4 and a 1. 1 plus 1, 2. Plus 2 is 4. Plus 1 is 5. There, put the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. And so then there's our answer in base 5, 3, 0, 4, 0, 3. Before we intermediate algorithm, let's do the let's go ahead and do the standard algorithm right here. This is the standard. And so here 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6, so that's 1 and 1. 3 times 3 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So you get your 1, 0. Next, you have a place value for the 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So that's 3. Carry a 1. 4, and when I carry the 1, I'm carrying a 25 here. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So that's two groups of let me do that again. 4 times 3 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. So that's two groups of, and one group there. My number is going to be off, it looks like. Let's double check here. So add them up. I get 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. So 0. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Oh, this is a 4 here. 1 plus 1 plus 2. We have to do this again. Let's find our error real quick. Okay, got it here. I'm just checking my work here. 3 times 3 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So this should be, when I get that 10, it's 0 and a 2. That's where I have it. So then now there should be 2, 0, 1, 3. So 3 plus 0 is 3. 1 plus 4 is 5, which is 10, 0, 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. 2 plus 3 is 5. So that's 0, 1. And so there's our answer is 3. And you can see that matches up with what we have here. Now the intermediate one, you'd end up doing 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2, 0 is 6, 0. But then that would be 1, 1, 0. After that, 3 times 3 is 900. But then that 9 is going to be, that 9 is going to be, so this right here, 3 times 3 is 900, so that's going to be a 9 is the same as 1, 4, and then with the 2 zeros. Here you have 40 times 1, so that's just 40. 40 times 20, so it's 4 times 2 is 8, which is 1, 3, and then add the 2 zeros. 4 times 3 is 12 again, so that's 2, 2, and then add the 3 zeros. And so what this then becomes is 3, 1, 1, 0, 1, 4, 0, 0, 4, 0, 1, 3, 0, 0, and then you end up with 1, 3, 0, 0. You end up with 2, 2, 0, 0, 0. So when we add those up, you have your 3. 1 plus 4 is 5, so it's 0, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 4 is 6, plus 3 is 9, so there's your 4 here. Add the 1 from the 9, so it's 9 is 1, 4. 1 plus 1 plus 1 That's 3 plus 2 is 5, 0, 1, and so then you have 3, 0, 1, 3, 0, 4, 0, 3, and so then you have your multiplication in base 5. And so looking at that here, here's another example that if you want to follow and take a look at, go ahead and do that. But that's multiplication algorithm base 5.